Folks. My name is Akash Sawant and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today in this particular video, the video is very straightforward. Okay, so we need to understand about, analyze, and explore the opportunities, like getting the insights where your users are coming from, like conducting the test to identify like which store listing aspects works best for your user acquisition. User acquisition is nothing but how the users are getting acquired and installing your application in the Play Store or any app store basically. So how you can optimize your store listing with an experiments, how you can do it, we just try to understand this particular thing in this particular video. So let's get dive into that particular course. So we'll try to understand that part. Okay. So first thing is introduction. So so what you can learn from this basically perfect combination of graphics, text to make your store listing appeal to the most users. Okay. So let's take a look how the Play Console store listing experiments features helps to understand which store listings variants makes a greater impact on your total installs. Okay, which part is very greater broader picture to get the more installs. Right. So best practices, features, functionality of store listing experiments. Set up a configuration of experiments. User experience with the store listing experiments. How to review taken actions once you experiment to complete. Okay. So next thing is test and iterate an app discovery. Okay. So this two thing guys are talking about. We'll just try to understand what their perspective. Like that is only they are telling like what kind of screenshots you add and how much the users are acquiring basically. So what should you test? Okay. So you can run the experiments for your main custom storing listing pages. Get prepared to launch your first store listing experiment by considering following testing tips and best practices. Okay. So first things you have to have a clear objective. So make sure that you are clear your objective in mind and before you begin. Diane is a client where he has decided test whether a large block letter, a person smiling a face is better than a better for app icon. Okay. So first thing you need to understand that we have to choose the experiment type. Okay, do you wanted to test the new graphics or target experiments to a specific language? Get started with choosing the right experiment by typing and navigating store presence, store listing experiments of your console. Okay, so what's the default graphics, localize, price experiments? Okay, so what are the A by B test of app description? Yeah. So in this particular video, they are talking about the creating an experiment. So if I use this particular title, short description, or thing like how it is getting the applications to be installed, that is a particular thing he's talking about. Okay. Like storing listing certificate. We'll just see. Yeah. So you can set up the experiments of your app, like how it is behaving, and to like let's your you wanted to scale your app installs basically for that particular thing. This is experiment is needed, folks. So this is how the thing is there, how you make a user experience to the users, making more experiments like these things, how you can do it, and by changing some of the app icons or what of sort of stuffs. So how it will be making a major impact. This is sort of stuffs you can see. Okay, attributes like you wanted to test, click the next. Remember what are the kind of things that you wanted to do. Basically, this is a thing. Result metrics and first time installers. What you can do it for the retained first time installers. How what you can do. Okay, audience installers, retainer users, retain installers. Okay, so these are the action that you have to do it. What application should be going to do it? Okay, so that's it about this video, folks. So I hope you understood how you can conduct the experiments. This is a very crucial thing. Okay, so that's it about this. If you, I hope you enjoyed this video.